Finally having some deliveries coming in lately. These are two new old stock vacuum elements, but they are the 126 version. Fortunately, they are usable. One of them fits in perfectly on the left hand side once you've changed over the linkage, and the other just requires the cap rotated. This is the grill star. I will fit that to a good second-hand grill shell. So the first thing I did was remove these 126 version linkages because they're no good to me on the 124. The plastic clips are exactly the same, and I will use the new ones that came with the vacuum elements. On the red 124, the one on the right hand side was the one that had a burst diaphragm. So that's the one I wanted to change first. I just unclipped the wiring harness from the firewall. It's just two zip ties, and then got the old one out. I didn't remove the linkage, I left that in place. Just unclipped it from the vacuum element. Now in factory configuration, this 126 element is actually sitting on the wrong angle. So what we need to do is unclip that black cap and rotate it. Astonishingly, the left side fits in perfectly on the exact correct angle as well. So that was a pleasant surprise. No modification required at all on the left. You just swap the linkage over and away it goes. This is a good spare that I've salvaged from the left. I'm not going to throw it away because these 124 versions are no longer available. I'm pretty sure the 126 ones aren't available new anymore either. It's just old stock that's currently available. So this is the black cap that I've unclipped. And you've got many choices as to the orientation of that once you've unclipped it. What I then did to ensure it was correct was just clip in the black cap and clip the rest of the pod in once that was in place, and you can be assured it's 100% correct then. So that's with the linkage attached. I will warn you that that is quite a pain in the ass. There's not a lot of room to work down there, but you've got to do it. If you've got the dash off, I would be changing these parts. I don't believe it would be possible without taking the dash off, unless you're some kind of magician. It's just going to be a nightmare. So I've tested all of those vacuum lines and it's working perfectly. And of course I reinstalled the harness, and that's a job done.